In 2006, we were traveling all over the country, and I had heard that there was an extraordinarily rare Pontiac GTO down in Boca Raton at the R&M auction. It was going over the block, so we drove down and to get the footage of the video, or get some video of the car, and we got some terrific footage of it. And so we got just a bunch of video from some terrific and very high-end muscle cars, and that's what you're going to see on this clip. We were able to go right on stage with these cars, and of course this was certainly before NBC got a hold of it, and we did the same thing with Mecum as well. In a later video, I'll show you that one. But this clip is going to be long, and it's going to consist of just a bunch of footage of some very high-end muscle cars, and I just wanted to share this footage with you because it's never been seen before, and I just want to get it out there this one time so that those that enjoy looking at Detroit muscle can at least look at these cars. So R&M 2006 Muscle Car Madness. Yeah, I hope you enjoy.
68 Hemi Roadrunner, looks original, and she looks like she's in perfect shape. This is going to be one of our spotlight cars. We're going to follow it all the way through the starting block, all the way through the end. I'm going to make a quick prediction. This car should bring a minimum of 125, so I'm going to say between 125 and 150. Let's see if I know what I'm talking about. Another spotlight car here at R&M, 1964 Tri-Power GTO convertible. She looks like she's in perfect condition. Now, these cars have been bringing somewhere between $50,000 and $75,000 in this condition. I'm saying here in R&M, it's going to bring the same money. So we are going to follow this car through the starting block all the way to the end. Catch me on the backside. We'll see if I know what I'm talking about.
These cars are very special to me, but you get to keep them for a couple of years, enjoy them, and it's time to make room for some new ones.
So you're going to bring in two new Cobras, two new Shelbys?
Well, I have one on order, which they say will be done by the end of the summer. My fingers are crossed. That's a 427 Cobra. And I'm always looking for another one.
All right. How long? You say you've had these cars for 2 years each. Is that correct?
No, this car I've had for a little over 2 years, and this one for about a year.
What is your feel? I mean, you follow the muscle car industry. It's just blowing my mind, the prices of these cars. Can you give a feel of why you think the prices are going up so dramatically?
It's a lot of guys my age that...
early 30s?
Yeah. The kids are gone. Stock market's boring. They own their homes, and they probably have a vacation home, and their friends have one, so they need to have one too.
So the car is here, I got the money, I'm going to own the car, bottom line.
These are the cars from our high school years, and when I put the key in and I crank it up, there's not a single gray hair left on my head.
Where? I don't see one. All right.
All the gray is gone.
Well, we're going to follow these two cars, or a couple of our spotlight cars. I wish you luck. I'll see you on the backside, and let's see if they sold or not.
Excellent.
All right?
All righty.
Thanks again.
Appreciate it.
All right. Car, I was dead on the first one. This is the same owner who had the 67 white with blue. Now here's the 68 white and blue. And I am saying 175. They say that's a little high. But I'm going to stick with my guns, 150 to 175. Let's watch the action.
Original invoice and order sheet. 68 Shelby GT 500 KR, the king of the road.
Here we go. How many you come in? 150,000. 150. 150. Give it a month. Give it a month. Give it a month. 50. 10, 60, 70. I can take you to 70. 70 here. 70. 80. 80. 90,000. 80. 90,000. 90. Who give 85? I can take 85. 90. 85. 90. 95. 95. Now 100. I got 100 here. Now 15. I can want me with 105. 105. 105. 105. I can want me with 15. 15. Are you getting in the back there with 15? I can want me with 15. 15. I got 100 with 15. Here we go now. With 15. I got 100 with 15. 10. I can 15 with 110.
Beautifully restored Shelby Fastback. Mustang. Everything's correct, authentic. This car's pictured in the Shelby registry. Absolute contour quality, one of the finest you'll ever see. GT 500 KR.
15, 110. 1-5, 110, 110, 1-5, 110, 175, now 110. You're out, Jimmy. Give me 110, 175, 110. He's out the red jacket, right to red shirt. 110, 175, 110 shirt. He's out right there, 110, 110, now 112.5, 110, 112.5, 112.5, 115, now 117.5. I got 4 meters on it, 117.5, 117.5, 115, 117.5, 117.5, 117.5, getting in there with 117.5, 117.5, I need to know, 117.5, 117.5, over 117.5, now 2, now 20, 120, 117.5, over 120, 117.5, over 120, over 120, over 120, over 120. 120, 117.5, over 120, give me 118, Mike, 118 one time, we'll go like over $1,000 legs, 118, you want to do it, 118, the reserves off, you're buying it, 118, the reserves off, over the 118, Mike, 118, the reserves off, you're buying the car, 118, 118, 118, 118, 118, 118, 117.5, over the 118, 117.5, 118, 119, 118, over the 119, turn over the 119, $1,000 legs, over the 119, drive it out please, 119, 118, 119, 118 over the 119, gonna sell it. 119, 118, 119, gonna sell it over the 119, not to 120, 120, 120, 119 over the 120, 119, over the 120, 20 over the 120, over the 120, over the 120, now 121, now 121, sir, 121, 122, 121, over the 122, take it over the 122, we're gonna sell the car today, the reserve is off, 122, 122, we're in the marketplace, give me right over the 122, 122, sir, over the 122, 122, 122, 123, 122, give it over the 123, 123, 124, 123, 124, 124, 123, 124, yes or no, tell me yes or no, I gotta go, 124, 123, 124, 123, going once, 123, going twice, give me 124, yes or no, 124, did he say it? 125, 125, 125, sir. Don't lose it for 1,000. Give me 125, 124, with the 125, 124, 125, sir. With the 125, with the 125, with the 125, 124, 125, 124, 125, 126, 126, 125, with the 126, sir. 126, 125, with the 126, 125, with the 126, with the 126, sir. 126 going once. 127, sir. 127. 126. Give it to 127. Are you going? 127 going once. 126. 127 going twice. Sold the car. $126,000 Cordy's way. $126,000.
Well, I was a little off about
He got a great car.
$24,000, but that is a great car, and that was a great car.
Next year's numbers right away.
But I was pretty good
No
on
reserve,
that other
28.
one. Car coming up, 1967. We saw it a minute ago. Oh, I love this car. I love this car. This car here, I said, was $225, and I think it probably will do that. $190 to $225. That's what I'm saying. It's perfect. We went through it. One thing is got the outboards, but other than that, it is.
VP 500 Shelby Mustang. 1960s.
I'm saying 195 to 225, one of our spotlight cars. So let's see what she's going to do. She is perfect. Pretty car. That's still a pretty car.
175, 80, 180, 180, 185. I got 180 bid, 85. I got 185. Anybody else here? 180, 185, 185, 180,000. Anybody go 185? I got 180,000, 185. I got 185. Anybody got 180? Anybody got 185? Hey, on hand on the 180 bid. Anybody go 185 again? 185. Want to make it down 90. I got 190, 190, 200. And I got 192. I got 192. Anybody go 200? And we're selling it today, ladies and gentlemen. 190. Who give me 200,000? 190 bid. Anybody go 2? And it's going to be sold. 190 bid. Anybody go 2? And I got 190. Anybody go 200,000? And 190 bid. Anybody go 2? Anybody go 2? Anybody go 195? I got 195. 195, 200. And I got 200,000. I got 195 too. Anybody else want to bid 195? Anybody go 200? 200,000. We're going to sell. Very well, sir. But Jimmy, would you better go 205? We're going to sell it today. 200,000. Everybody go 25. And I get 200 man. Everybody go 5. I get 200,000. Everybody go up. I get drive it in, please. Drive it in. We're going to move along. 200,000. 25. I get 200 man. Everybody go 5. Is that it? Going once, twice, all done. 25, 210. I get 25, 10. What are we going to do? I get 25 and 10. I get 205,000. Everybody go 10, 10, 10, 10. I get 205 man. Everybody go 210. Here we go. Here we go. Going once, going twice. 210,000 if you will. 205, 210. Hands up. 210. Going once, going twice. 210. And I have sold 205,000. Thank you. 205. Sold.
Car number 437.
What did I say?
437 up next.
I said 195 to 225. Thought I might do a little bit more. Gorgeous car.
It's a
I was right on the money.
Mitsubishi.
We're going to see what difference the Ram Air 3 versus the Ram Air 4 makes. This car here, gorgeous Judge, as you can see, hardtop Ram Air 3 car as compared to the Ram Air 4 convertible. You are going to see a mountain of difference. But this is one of our spotlight cars. We're going to follow it all the way through. Check back with me on the end. I'm believing this car here is probably, I'm thinking about a $75,000 automobile because it looks like she's in good shape. So catch me on the backside. I'll let you know what it went for. I've already shown you a Hemi Bird, and we knew that it was going for $400,000. So this being one of our spotlight cars, let's just have some fun with this one. This is an original, owner says it's an original 25,000 mile automobile. She's in perfect shape, white bench seat with that crazy column, 446 pack. Again, what I'm thinking is that car in this good a condition, I think we're looking at probably at another about 75. So, one of our spotlight cars, we're going to run it all the way through. I will see you on the back side, and we'll find out whether or not I know what I'm talking about or not. Another spotlight car here, 1968 Shelby, as you can see, GT500 KR convertible, very rare. She looks like she is in very, very good condition, automatic. Going at no reserve here at RM. So, I will say a car of this condition, let's say, I'm thinking about 175. So we're going to follow this car all the way through, the start to finish. Catch me on the backside.
Oh, that's the 428 Cobra Jet motor. Correct end spoke alloy wheels fully restored. Automatic transmission, factory air.
Spotlight car.
Powered by the
We all know
Smarty
Shelby.
report.
This particular automobile looks like it is in perfect shape. It is without reserve. It is the KR.
Fabulous muscle
King of the road.
car, one of the
68
rare convertible Shelby Mustangs.
Convertible. Let me see if it was an automatic or 4-speed. That makes all the difference in these things.
KR, the king of the road.
Automatic car, so that's going to take a little value off of it. So I'm looking at, probably, I'm saying 150 on this because it looks like she is in good shape. Everything looks good. Can't tell if it's been totally restored, but I'm saying 150, so let's watch and see. I love these auctions.
Never get to me, too.
We gotta move along. I got 195, don't worry about it, Brett. I got 195, I'm gonna go two, we gotta move along. I got 195, 200,000, and we're gonna sell it today. 195, gonna be sold on reserve. 195, I'm gonna go two, and I got 200,000, it was it. And 195, I'm gonna go two now two, and we're gonna go 195, and now 200,000, I'm gonna go two. I got 195, I'm gonna be able to get two. Roll. I got 195, I'm gonna be able to get two. At 200,000, here we go. 195 with Patrick, and we're gonna go 200. At 2,000, anybody else? Hands up, bids in. 195, I'm gonna be able to get 200, and I have. Is that it? Sold 195, thank you.
Was I wrong?
195.
Dead wrong. That's Scottsdale money, if you know what I'm talking about. 195 with an automatic and
67 Shelby GT
Go.
350.
Here we go.
I bought it off a friend of mine who owned it 22 years.
71 Hemi Cuda convertible, a white one. The man turned down $4.2 million in pro used. Now, you know, normally I wouldn't have anything to do with a clone. However, I've showed you the $5 million Hemi Cuda convertible 71. This is going to be an interesting thing because this car, if it was a real deal, would be another $5 million car, but it is a perfect clone. So let's run it through. Let's follow it as it goes through. And let's see what it does. I mean, this is the kind of car that you'll be able to drive, that's for sure, have a little bit of fun. But I got to tell you, I think the car probably is a $150,000 automobile. So catch me on the backside, and I'll let you know if I was right or wrong. All right, this is it. Spotlight car. If you remember, $5 million on the real deal. I said maybe 150, but this car is absolutely spotless. I don't know. I really, really don't know. Let's take it all in from inside to out. I really don't know, but I'm going to tell you, I think it's $150,000. That's a drivable 71 Hemi Cuda convertible 1971.
The orange billboard, but the orange interior was available in 1971. He did a very good job making a flow out of this car.
How many original 71 Hemi Cuda convertibles?
There were 7 U.S. and 3 Canadian, 2 Canadian, and 2 export. And they were all accounted for at this time.
Okay, there are no more of them lurking out there in the...
I'm going to go 200, and I'm going to go 200,000. I'm going to go 2 over here. I got 50, 75. I got 100, 125, 100,000. Anybody go 125? I'm at 100,000 bid. Anybody go 125?
I want to own this
At
car.
100,000. Anybody go 125?
I want to own this automobile.
150, 125, 150,000. I got 125 with Pat. Anybody go 150? I got 150, sir. Anybody 150? One again. I'm going to go 150. I got 150. Now 200,000. I got 150 bid. Who can make 200? And I got 160, 170. I got 160 bid. 170 now. I'm going to go 70 now. And I'm going to go 170 now. 160 bid. 170. I got 170 again. 170 now. I got 170, 180. I got 180, 180, 180,000. 170 bid. 180. I got 170 bid. And I'm on 180,000. I got 170, 180. I got 170 bid. 180 here. I got 180. Thank you. 190. I got 180, 190, 190, 190, 190. Going to be sold. We're going to sell it. We're going to sell it today. 180, 190. I got 180 bid. Let's go. Hey, I got 190. I got 180,000. Here we go. Going to be sold. 180, 185. And I got 180 bid. 185. And I got 180,000. Everybody go 185. I got 180 bid. And I'm going to go 500 bid. And we're going to sell it today. 180,000. 185. I got 180,000 bid. Anybody go $185,000. 180 at 185. One of a kind. 180, 185. Yes.
What a striking automobile, ladies and gentlemen. It's got everything. Pistol grip 4-speed, orange billboards, rear deck spoiler, hood pins, dual chrome mirrors, built from a 22-year collection of NOS parts. And the owner has a complete photo album on the car.
All right.
We had an original 71 Hemi Cuda convertible here. It would be in the range of $4 to $5 million.
I think you had 180,000. Anybody go 185? Hey, I'm going to be 185. I got 180,000. Hey, I'm at 185. Going to be sold. 180 bid. 185. Hey, I'm going to be 185. I'm going to be able to go 180,000. Here we go. Drive it out. 185. Hey, I got 180,000. Here we go. I'm going to be able to go 85. I got 85, 85 here. 185. 180, 185. I got 180,000. 185,000. Here we go. Hands up. 180,000. 190,000. 190,000. 190. Thank you. Now 200,000. I got one driving at 192. And I get 200, 2 here. 190. Anybody go 200? At 190, 200,000. I got 190. Anybody go 200? At 190,000. Anybody go $200,000 here today? I got 190 bid. Anybody go 2? I got 190. Anybody go 200? I got 190,000. I get 205. I get 200,000. I'm going to go 205. Are we all done? 200,000. I'm going to go 5 and I have. Is that it? Sold 200,000. Thank you. 200,000. I believe that's a record. Has to be a record for Elliott Clone. What a gorgeous car. Congratulations, sir. Hemi convertible.
Can you
And
believe
unbelievable
a clone
parade of
for
muscle cars
$200,000? But if it was a real thing, we all know it's $5 million. So the guy's going to drive it, have a good time with it.
AR convertible.
These next 4 cars are all going to be spotlight cars, so let's just take them one at a time. You've got a 1969 original Hemi hardtop GTX, probably a $125, $150 here. Spotlight car, Hemi car looks good.
4-speed transmission.
4-speed. Of course, you got the 426.
Magnum 500 wheels, ringline tires, black bucket seat interior. 4-speed. And here's Galen Gogia.
Engine looks perfect. Let's listen to Galen.
9,394 miles on it. I looked at it yesterday. Dark green, I believe they call it ivy green metallic.
Get a camera on Galen.
Seats. 354 Dana 60 with a 4-speed. Air grabber hood, AM radio, and the white reflective pinstripe along the bottom of the car. It's like a very, very good restoration.
All right,
let's make a quick prediction. I'm going to go right. I'm going to go right to 175 on this Hemi right here because it is an original. It looks good. That's what I'm going to say right now. This car here, right here, 175. That's my prediction. Let's see what she does.
Give me 130. I get 125 to 130. I get 125 to 130. 130 to 130 to 130 to 130. 125 to 130. 125 to 130. 30 to 130 to 130 to 130. 130. 130. 140. 150. I get 140. Maybe a little bit 150. I get 140. Maybe a little bit 150. 130. 130. 130. 140. 140. 140. 150. We're going to sell a car today. A little bit of 150. 140. 150. 140. 150. 140. 150. 150. 150. 145.
426 Hemi engine, pistol grip 4-speed, Dana rear end, Magnum 500 wheels, a real muscle car. Outstanding GTX 1969. 9,394 original miles. Not a restoration, 9,300 miles.
140, 150, 140, 150, gonna sell the car today. He'll get 145. 145, we gotta move on, guys. 145, get ready to roll it out. 145, 145, 145, 145, 145, 140, 145. Chip, you wanna do it? 145, drive it out. 145, I can already see that 140, 145, 145, 145, 145, last call. 145, 145, going once.
Not a restoration. This is an original 9,000-mile car. I take that back. It's not a restoration. 155 known to exist.
145 going twice. You got to do it now. So 140,000. He got it here. Right with Gordy. 140,000. Sold another one. Sold another one. Thank you so much, sir. Right. Tell us about the next one.
SP 34 68 Dodge Dart.
Well, there you heard
440.
it.
Mr. Norm car.
$145,000. I was off by 30 grand. I just don't know what it is about those GTXs. They haven't caught up to the
SP32 coming
let's see
through
what
right
happens.
now.
Here you got a Hugger orange, white, Z28. We all know that's got the 302. Depends on whether or not it's an all-original car, but you all know this is about a $50,000 automobile. I think you guys bought a car now. I bet you tonight.
Yep, folks,
All right.
if you're standing next to the auction block,
This is
can
one
you
of the
please take a
spotlight
seat?
cars I think we did.
We'd
The
like to
Hugger
have our-
orange. It looks like it's
our
all original.
audience be able to see
This
the
car
cars on the
sounds
block.
great.
So if you'd,
So it
take a seat,
appears
please, if
that
you're
it
standing
is
next to the
all
auction block,
original.
we'd
I will
really
check out the
appreciate
interior.
it.
I can already see it's got a rosary wheel on it. This car is a minimum of $50,000. It might even go up to much as $75,000. So let me look at the motor. Let me look at the interior, and then I will let you know.
SB20, we've got a muscle car Camaro, Z28, 1969. Four-speed Camaro 69. They called them pony cars, but they were flat-out muscle cars. This is a numbers-matching DZ302 engine. Rebuilt, restored.
Four-speed car,
power brakes,
looks good in the interior. It looks like it could use a little bit of work. However, now the man just said it was chambered exhaust. That's why it sounded so good. So I'm not 100% sure whether or not it was a real thing. However, I see something very interesting on this car. This is a burger car, as we'll see back here in just 1 second. So this car is definitely going to be about a $75,000, $80,000 automobile, simply because it was a burger car. We all know about the burger Chevrolet back in the 60s was take a regular Camaro and make it a hot Camaro. So let's watch. Let's see if it happens. I'm saying a minimum of 75. Let's see what happens.
I had the man from Georgia, 50,000, 51. I get 51, 51, now 2. I get 51, 52. I get 51, 52, now 33, 33, 33. I get 52, 53. I get 52, 53.
It should be a $75,000 automobile. Yes! Well, it's a burger car, isn't it? It's got a burger emblem on it. That's $75,000. Well, I'll tell you what, somebody's making one heck of a deal on this car. Right now it's at 57. This appears to be a burger car. I'm not 100% sure, but we see the emblems on this thing. The engine is perfect, chambered exhaust, probably from Burger. If this car goes below 75, somebody's getting a heck of a deal on this car right here. I'll tell you that right now. May not be the original paint though, so I'm not sure. Let's watch.
Look at 58.5 one time. Look at 58.5. Here we go. 58.5. 58.5. Roll out. We're going to drive it out. 58.5. 58.5. 58.5. 59. I get 58.5. 59. The 9. The 9. 9. The 9. The 9. 9. 59.5. 59.5 here. 59.5. 59.5. Drive it out. Drive it up. 59.5. 59.5. 59.5. 59.5 to the side. 59.5. Got to do now, sir. 59.5. Now 60. I get 59.5. 60 grand. I get 59.5. 60. Intimidation going on over there. Give me 60 grand. 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 I got a little bit 59.5. A little bit 60. 59.5. A little bit going to sell it, guys. Got to know now. 60
Car's
grand
now
going once.
no reserve at $60,000.
60 grand going twice.
If it goes for
60, now 61, now you're on 40, 61, I got 60 on me, 61, I got 60, a little bit 61, a little bit 61, I got 60 here, 61, sir, 61, you do a little bit 61, a little bit 61, a little bit 61, a little bit 61, 61, 60, a little bit 61, yes or no, a little bit, I got 60 here, 61, 61, yes or no, 61, 61, 61, don't nickel and dime yourself, guys, give me 61, here we go, 61, yes or no, going once, 61, going twice. Now 2. I get 61, maybe 62. I get 61, 61, 5, 62. I get 61, 5, limit 62. Table limit 62. I get 61, 5, limit 62. I get 61, 5, limit 62. Table limit 62. 61, 5, 62. 61, 5, 62. So 61, 5, you got it here. So 61, 5, got another one. 61, 5, so 61, 5, so.
Our next car, 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. If there's any Corvette guys here, they're going to take this car apart top to bottom. So if it's an original car, if all the numbers are matching, everything is fine.
Fully restored to NCRS specifications, body off the frame. Best of all, ladies and gentlemen, it's a rare L78 engine Corvette. L78, that's a 425 horsepower, 396. The only year the Corvette got a 396.
Already getting a pretty good crowd on it, so I'm thinking this car here, fully restored. I'll tell you right now, this car right here, 150.
Alloy wheels, 4-speed transmission.
Maybe a little bit more, but I'm thinking around 150 because it does not have the 435 horse motor. If it had that, through the roof. Since it doesn't have that, I'm saying 150. So let's watch.
How can you tell so closer? 122.5, 125, 122.5, 125, 122.5, 125, 120, you got 125, 125, 127.5, I get 125, 127.5, I get 125, 127.5, 127.5, 125, 127.5, 125, 127.5, pay attention right here, 127.5.
Two top roadster, 65 with a 396 engine and L78 version. 425 horsepower. Siding.
131, 132, 131, 132. Drive it out, please. 132, 132. We're going to sell a car today. 132, 132. We're selling it today. 132, 132, 131, 132, 131.
Let's see if we get another $10,000 out of it. I said 150. Let's see what happens.
133, 134, going once. 134 going twice, 135, 136, 135, 136, 136, 136, 140, 142.5, 142.5, 142.5, 145, 145, 145, 142.5, 145, 145, 145, 145, 145, 145. Anybody else? 145, 145. So, 142.5, you got it here. 142.5.
142.5, I said 150.